Okay, another take on when does limit exist? When does limit exist? Limit x approaching number from the left x approaching number from the right. Okay, whenever you try to compute whether the equation has limit or the question asks you find the limit, especially when it's come to the continuous question, this is what you want to prove. What about continuous? Lim x approaching number fx equals to f number. So when it satisfies this one, then only it's continuous. Okay, let's try a few examples. I'll be fast on this one since we want to do other topics. Okay, let's try this example. It's a question number 11 from your past year, where you're given something like this: fx 2x minus 1 qx squared minus 3 x squared. Oh, sorry, not this question. Sorry, number 12. I wrongly looked at the question. Where fx equals to 1 plus ex 1 2 minus x. Can you see? Where x less than 1, x equals to 1, x more than 1. Okay, the question said, does limit exist? Okay, how should we do? You want to prove this thing, right? You want to prove it. So that means, how do we do? It's easy if you just copy the equation back, okay? So 1, instead of number, it becomes here. 1 from the left. Limit x approaching 1 from the right. Okay, so if 1 from the left, which equation should I take? First, second, third. First, why first? Left is less, right is more, third, 2 minus x. And you can calculate them. So you got 1 plus e1 equals to 2 minus 1. 1 plus e, you can press your calculator if I'm not mistaken, 3 point something? 3.73? 2 minus 1, how much? Press your calculator. Okay, 1, 2.7 something, right? 3 point something, right? 3.772. Are they the same? It's not the same. So what does it mean? Limit does not exist. Are you okay? So yeah, since it does not exist here, it's not equal, you can say it's not equal. You guys okay? Okay, so let's have another example on continuous. Okay, our next example is for continuous. I'll choose 17a past here. You want to use this, alright? Where fx is equals to x squared minus 9, x squared plus 2x minus 15, x not equals to 3, where x equals to 3. Okay, question stated that find value of c if f is continuous. Okay, so how do we start? If continuous, what does it mean? It's right, this thing. Okay, so lim x approaching to 3 equals to f3. So let's begin. f3 is equals to what? Equation 1 or equation 2? First or second? C is a... Alright, for x approaching 3, I should take this one. Should I do left or right? If there's less, if there's more, the answer is yes. But in this case, we don't have to use left, right. Just take this one because left, right approaching to the same place. So x squared minus 9, I can factorize that. X plus 3, x minus 3. And at the bottom, deno, I can factorize. X plus 5, x minus 3. Class, am I too fast? Do you want me to repeat again somewhere? Which part? How do I get this thing, is it? Okay, I know it's continuous. If continuous, what do I want to do? I want to use this formula. Alright? Basically, x approaching number and f number. Which number am I doing now? We only got 3. So limit x approaching 3. Which one should I take, first or second? Take the first one. Okay, I'm not following the order. Normally we do f number first. F number, which one is equal? The second one, C. Alright, so f3 is C. You okay? And then the limit x approaching, I choose the first one. Are you okay? Because they are connected. If not here, then there. That's all. Or another way, we take the one that not equal to, since approaching is not equal. So this one is easily settled off. So substitute the number in. 6 and 8. Are you okay? Am I too fast? Do you want me to repeat them again? Please raise your hand. Which part? Are you clear how I got this thing? Are you clear why do I... Okay, since it's continuous, what do I do? I use this formula. Are you okay with that one? Okay. So the formula is just simply limit x approaching number. In this case, what's your number? 3. And another one is, of course, F3. You okay until here? I'm asking her, not you. So F3 is which one? First or second? Second, because it's equal. 3. You okay? Sorry. It's C. Until here, you okay? Okay, so now X approaching. Which equation should I take? First or second? Why first? Approaching is not equal. So I'm taking this equation. You okay there? Are you okay? Sure. Okay, then of course I want to be fast. X squared minus 9. X plus 3. X minus 3. You okay? Then down here, Dino, I can factorize. X plus 5. X minus 3. Cancel off. You got here this value. 6 and 8. I can simplify. 3 over 4. So C is 3 over 4. You okay? You want me to repeat them again? Okay, this is the basics for X approaching number continuous and limits exist. I cannot help you if you don't memorize this line. Alright, please. Memorize this. You want to know one thing? If you memorize this, then that means 5 marks is already in your hand. And most people don't memorize this. Even people in other places could not memorize. Okay, viewers, please write back the formula from your memory. Ready? 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Viewers, if you're not ready, pause. 1, 0. Do we get the same? Yeah. Alhamdulillah. May you pass your exam well. Okay. Oopsie. Okay, alright. There.